Question number 5 says solve the following polynomial equation by grouping and factoring. So we have 4x to the 5th power minus 24x to the 3rd power, and that's equal to 0. So on the left side of the equation, we want to ask ourselves, can we factor anything out of those two terms? Well, we can. We can factor out a 4, and we can also factor out an x cubed. So what's left is we have x squared minus 6, and that's equal to 0. So now in step 3, we're going to use the zero product rule. We have 4x cubed, which is equal to 0, or x squared minus 6, which is equal to 0. Now on the left hand side, if we divide both sides by 4, we get x cubed, which is equal to 0. So now if we take the cube root of both sides of the equation, we get x, which is equal to the cube root of 0, which is just 0. On the right side, we're going to add 6 to both sides. So we have x squared, which is equal to 6. And then we're going to take the square root of both sides, and recall that that becomes plus or minus the square root of 6 because it's an even root. So therefore, x is going to equal plus or minus the square root of 6. So we have 3 solutions here. We have negative square root of 6, 0, and positive square root of 6.